Everybody's got a right to live. Everybody has a right to live. And as we march side by side, we're fighting for our lives. Everybody's got a right to live.
15 million people in the U.S., including 29,000 people in Vermont, are getting cut from Medicaid and being pushed to private insurance plans. These plans are not adequate, and these 29,000 people will lose access to the health care that they had with Medicaid.
I work as a nurse at UVM Emergency Department. When we see people come in with emergencies related in part to lack of access to preventative care and treatment, more times than not, the reason is the cost.
I estimate that before this coverage, I would spend at least 10 hours fighting insurance every time I needed meds, which was every 3 months. Throughout this time, I called Medicaid to let them know that my income had changed. They assured me that I could stay on and that I would have at least 2 months to find new coverage when the time came. Well, the state has decided that health is no longer a priority for the people of Vermont. Instead of giving me 2 months, they gave me a week and a half. This is simply not enough time to find coverage for my health needs. And healthcare should be guaranteed for all. It's a human right. Everyone should have the care I've had for the last 3 years. Simple, affordable, and guaranteed.
Vermont is cutting people from its Medicaid rolls and propping up healthcare profiteers. This is why we're building the Nonviolent Medicaid Army to unite the 140 million poor and low-income people and change this unjust system.
Healthcare is a human right. Fight, fight, fight!
As many people will fit, let's go witness and show support for Emily.
There are mean things happening in this land. There are mean things happening in this land. But the movement's going on, and the movement's growing strong. There are mean things happening in this land. There'll be health care happening in this land. There'll be health care happening in this land. 'Cause the movement's going on, and the movement's growing strong. There'll be health care happening in this land. There'll be justice. There'll be justice happening in this land. There'll be justice happening in this land.